Bitcoin supply in profit at 88% signals strong market support. ETH accumulation spikes as holders bet on short-term price gains. Litecoin plunges hard after LTC ETF delay. Corporations could add $330 billion to Bitcoin treasuries in next 5 years, says Bernstein. $389 million in token unlock set to shake crypto markets this week. Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Ethereum has seen a notable rise in long-term holder accumulation, with a 22% increase in holdings over the past 2 months, signaling strong investor conviction despite recent price declines. On-chain data from CryptoQuant highlights that accumulating addresses those consistently receiving ETH without major sales grew their holdings from 15.53 million to 19.03 million ETH since March 10th. This trend emerged as ETH fell below its realized price of $2,026, reaching $1,866, placing many holders at an unrealized loss. Despite the downturn, long-term investors are buying the dip, reducing their average cost basis and indicating expectations of a bullish breakout. Litecoin experienced a sharp decline of 7% after the US SEC announced a delay in its decision on a pending LTC ETF application. While the delay was anticipated, it still triggered a sell-off, pushing LTC's price just above the $80 mark. This drop makes LTC one of the worst performers among major altcoins in the past 24 hours, reflecting market sensitivity to regulatory developments. Bernstein researchers predict that corporations could invest up to $330 billion in Bitcoin over the next 5 years, signaling a major shift towards adopting BTC as a corporate treasury asset. Inspired by Michael Saylor's strategy, many small, low-growth companies with excess cash may follow a similar path. Of the total, $205 billion is expected from listed corporates, with $124 billion potentially from strategy alone. Companies with over $100 million in cash could contribute the majority of this capital, while high-growth smaller firms might add $11 billion by 2026. Though the strategy model has proven highly successful, with 555,450 BTC held at over $14 billion in unrealized profits, Bernstein warns that not all firms will be able to replicate its success due to Bitcoin's price volatility. This week, the crypto market is facing a $389 million supply shock as multiple projects unlock large amounts of tokens. The biggest unlock comes from Solana, releasing $86.73 million worth of tokens, nearly 13% of its supply. Ethereum and Spectre follow with $50 million and $21.3 million unlocks, respectively, with Spec releasing nearly half of its supply. Other projects like Caspa, Movement, and DogeCoin are also contributing to the increased supply, alongside daily unlocks from Solana, WorldCoin, and Memecoin Trump. These unlocks raise concerns about potential sell-offs, as early investors may cash out, especially in the case of cliff unlocks that release a large portion at once. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Do like, share, and subscribe to 3TV. And for more information and stories, log on to our website www.3university.io or scan the QR code.